Now we're going to do the pullback loading unit. So this is the loading block. You don't have any support to remove, and as well as this one is called a loading block cap. Okay, and then this is the pullback rod. See, you have some built-in brim here and some support that can be easily removed just by your fingertip. And this is the pullback rod cap. Should be goes in like this and super good together. This is the base of the nozzle, the loading nozzle, so it's called loading nozzle base. You have some support and built-in brim to get rid of. And this is the TPU part. Is called the nozzle. Is for the air seal and a change of direction of the air flows. And also this is the base of the whole unit, so it's called pullback unit base. This is where you connect the whole unit with the chassis of the blaster. And this is the TPU part. Is it's called MOC screw head. So it's not important. You don't even have to print this out or install it, but it's just for deco purposes. And here we are going to be using the longer spring for the pullback unit, and then 3 longer screws, longer bolts, and 3 20 millimeters, so 20 millimeters in length, 3 of them. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, we're going to remove all the supports, right? So in the brim. So just get this out, and then you can just put it by your finger. It should be easy. And then just deburr and some support here. So should be looking like this. Okay, and then just you can also deburr where it touches the build plate, right? And then for the widened rounded part, you can just lightly sand it or not. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so it's done. And then the support here, that's the loading nozzle base. Just get rid of the support here, like so, and then get rid of the brim. Just get it off with your finger. Doesn't have to be deburred, since you're gonna able to see it anyway. Okay, so just get rid of the garbage here. Okay, for this part is good. Oh no, actually, check the bottom of the part, right? This is the top, and this is the bottom. Remove the support gently. I set the temperature too high, so everything feels together. Should be easier for you guys to remove this. Okay, so make sure everything is clean, like this. Okay, and couldn't hurt to chop this. This is the cap, right, of the rod. So make sure you can chop in and sit flush like this, and then you can turn it. Doesn't have to be loose, as long as you can gently turn it. It's good. Okay, and then the TPU nozzle. So just get rid of the tree support, right? So first of all, you got some support here. Just get it off, and then the bottom, just get it off. I mean, TPU part printed with the tree support should be very easy to remove. And then just get rid of the some of the string part, or yeah, like this. Okay. Now we're going to assemble everything together. First of all, take out super glue, and then make sure you put enough glue into the socket here, the circle socket here. Okay, so just put super glue inside a circle socket, and then just drop this into the socket, and make sure it sits in. Okay, and just put it down like this and let it sit for a good 20 minutes before you move on to anything else. I'll be right back. Okay, so I actually waited for maybe 30-40 minutes. Just wait for the super glue to fully dry, and then so that when you put it in, it doesn't got stuck to the base, right? Because you have to be able to turn. So it's fully dry already. So use the longer spring here. So put it in to the hole here. Okay, like so. And then like this, right? You put it in here and then let it be fully extended like this. Now, take out the base here. That's the base for the whole unit. So drop it in like this. So don't put it this way, put it this way. Like this. Okay? And then use a bit tool like this. Pull back a little bit of the spring and then drop this in to the slot here in the front. So again, now the spring is fully extended. So use the tool, put it back just a little bit for this part to go into the slot here. And then like this. Then drop it in to the loading block here. So make sure it's sitting in like this. Okay, and then take 3 N3 bolts that is 20 millimeters long. So secure these 2 parts with 1 screw. Screw all the way in. It's pretty deep, so it's gonna take a while. Okay, it's done. So like this. And then drop another bolt here. And again, all the way in. So like this. So you drop 1 here and then secure these 2 parts with 1 here. Okay, now put a cap onto the block here and then secure the cap onto the loading block like this. As long as you fasten it tight enough, it will not move to the side, right? It'll be secured in place pretty well. And then you can just test it to see if you can extend the unit like this and then turn. You should feel a bit of a resistance when you turn 90 degrees here by design. If it's loose, it's okay. But if you feel a bit of resistance, that's how it should be. Okay. And then depends on your preference. You can put one of the Mach screw head onto here. So there is a bit of tree support on the bottom. So just remove the support like so. And then just drop it in. It's a friction fitted. Since it's TPU, it's gonna be sitting there pretty well. So right now you have checked everything is working properly. Okay, as long as you can extend like this and then turn. So put a tad of super glue here, just a little bit, okay, and then attach the nozzle onto the base, like so. Just gently join them together. You don't have to push it, just like this, because I don't want you to push it and make the end of this to expand. Okay, it's done.